G'day! In today's video, I'm having a bit of a chat regarding the iPhone 12 and its earpiece speaker. I've noticed a trend in the last few months that the earpiece speaker on these ones have been failing considerably more compared to any other model of iPhone. So what I've noticed is, first of all, right at the very front, you can see it there, the mesh. If you have certain screen protectors on there, it just directs all the dirt and grime into that mesh on this phone itself. So what I see is either one, where the mesh at the front of the phone is completely clogged up, and what I do from there personally is I take the screen out, put IPA, isopropyl alcohol, all around it, heat up the phone, undo the two pentalobe screws, and then I use a small little pry tool in the bottom left hand corner and lift it up just a fraction, and from there I get a plastic pry tool and go all the way around until I can get it open. Once it's open, then I remove the front sensor flex that's on the phone that's attached to the front screen, which I will show that probably a bit later. And on that, I open it up, take the speaker off, take the sensor out, take the screen out, and I use isopropyl alcohol, put it on the front here, and give it a blast with an air compressor from behind, through it, and from there, that usually cleans it up. But the thing that I've noticed is the increased trend of the failing earpiece speaker itself. So what some places do, some people do, is replace the whole front sensor flex, which is not required. So far I've done about 4, this will be about number 5, of replacing just the earpiece speaker itself. Now these, if you can do it, if you've got a decent, pretty much, if you work on phones, laptops, computers, have a smallish tip soldering iron laying around. If you've been able to successfully remove screens on the iPhone 12s and above, you can do this job. It's not hard, it's pretty straightforward. Take the screen out, get the sensor off, get the front sensor off, and there's 2 little tabs you may be able to see just near my finger now. 2 gold squares. You unsolder them off the existing flex, solder the new speaker on, and then from there you're probably going to be just fine. Most places, I said, will sell just the front sensor flex by itself. You do not require that, don't buy that. If you do buy that and do install it, you won't have Face ID on the phone. This will, swapping just the speaker itself, will preserve your Face ID, as long as you don't burn that flex connector too badly. So anyway, just a trend that I've noticed with iPhone 12s, just the iPhone 12s. The 11s have been fine, 13s I'm yet to see this same issue with, but I'm definitely noticing it with the 12s. Not sure if that may be your results in your shop or with your own personal phone, but here I'm very doubtful cleaning this earpiece speaker. I just record a voice memo, hit playback, and right now I'm hearing absolutely 0 out of here. So I highly predict I will have to swap this over as well. Anyway, just my observations, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.